Hello, I'm your host, the Chicken Man with Texas Precision Poultry. I'm here with a garden update for October 2018. We have planted quite a few fall crops this year. Mustard greens, turnips, beets, carrots, kale, squash, along with a few marigolds to edge the garden. With all this planted, everything seems to be doing well, except the beets. We will have to keep an eye on them to see if they need to be replanted. The biggest thing I'd like to talk about is the reapplication of mulch. As we enter fall and approach winter, we need a protective layer to insulate the soil underneath. This was achieved by taking some hay and straw from the chicken pens. Along with its insulation, the mulch will break down, adding a slow release of nutrients to our fall crops. That wraps up this garden update. Make sure to stay tuned for future ones. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments section, and don't forget to check out our social media accounts. Links are in the description below. Like the video and subscribe. I've been the Chicken Man with Texas Precision Poultry. For now, I bid you farewell and encourage all to keep your plants happy and healthy.